4 ways to reversing prediabetes and diabetes. It is important to remember that it is a warning sign for your overall health. You can regain your health by taking the right steps. Here are 4 ways you can improve your health if you have diabetes. 1. Keep an eye on your blood sugar levels. Monitoring your progress is important to stay well informed. 2. Make sure your body is kept at a healthy weight. One of the most significant steps you can take is to lose weight. Being overweight is the #1 risk factor for developing type 2 diabetes. Focus more on making healthy changes and improvements to your diet and fitness. 3. Change what you eat. These positive changes apply to blood sugar levels, overall health, and weight control as well. Balance your meats and your diet around berries, vegetables, and low-carb and low-sugar. Naturally high in fiber foods help you feel full for longer. Make low-carb vegetables the star of your plate and use protein-rich foods. To satisfy your sweet time, eat berries or stevia-sweetened treats. Also avoid eating certain foods, such as sugar, high carbs, and high fructose corn syrup, i.e., cookies, potatoes, and soda. Foods with trans fats. Fried foods. Processed foods. White bread, crackers, and pasta. Recognize that not all carbs are created equal. Replace processed fats with unprocessed fats from whole foods like avocados, nuts, and seeds. 4. Gotta move. By increasing your physical activity, you can improve your health and help regulate your blood sugar levels. Exercise helps promote better circulation and improves insulin sensitivity. Subscribe for more information.